In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an item receipt in QuickBooks Accountant. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture inventory you've received from a vendor before the bill arrives, so your stock counts stay accurate and your purchasing workflow remains organized. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant using your usual credentials. If you're still getting comfortable with the process, feel free to practice using a sample company. Otherwise, open your client's company file so your changes are saved to the right place. Once you're in the correct company, look for the New button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it at the top left or along the left sidebar. Click that to open the list of available transactions. From the drop-down, choose Item Receipt. This form is specifically designed to record the receipt of products without entering the vendor's bill yet, which is perfect when the boxes arrive before the invoice. Now it's time to complete the details. Start by selecting the vendor who shipped the items. If there's a related purchase order, link it here so the items and expected quantities pull in automatically. That helps prevent data entry errors and keeps everything tied together for easy tracking. Enter the item receipt date, which should match the day the goods physically arrived. Accurate dates matter because they determine when inventory becomes available and can affect reports and costing. Next, review the product or service lines. Confirm the inventory items you actually received and update the quantity received to reflect what was delivered. If you ordered 10 but only 6 arrived, record 6. This ensures your on-hand count is correct, while still keeping the purchase order open for the remaining balance, if any. Take a moment to review the amounts and item details. Costs may flow in from the item setup or the linked purchase order. Verify that the information looks right based on your vendor's pricing. If you need to include context for your team or for future reference, add a memo. A short note like partial delivery or backorder expected next week can save time later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded an item receipt. This increases your inventory quantity immediately, so the stock is available for sales or job costing, while keeping the vendor's bill separate for when it actually arrives. Using item receipts helps you stay accurate in real time and avoids rushing to enter a bill just to update inventory.